What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a car seat cover by EVMODS. This is going to be for your Tesla cars, so your Model Ys, Model 3s, and this is going to be something that you can use if you want to protect your seats, especially if you have pets. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it. I have a 2-pack here, so if you have white interior, we have one for the white, and black interior for the black seats. All right, so once I open this up, you can see the size here, and it's a very simple design. It has the Tesla logo with the Tesla name on there. That's a nice touch. So this is the way it looks. It's a nice material. This is going to be waterproof, easy to clean, and the way it goes on is you really just slip it on top of your original seat. So you would just put this over it, and it uses this elastic strap to hold on, and it's going to be nice and snug. This is the way it looks on the back side. It has this nice non-slip type material on here, and so this is going to be really good for situations when you have pets, or if you have, you've been doing outdoor activities and you don't want to get your original seats dirty. So you can keep this in your car and just slip this on and still have that nice quality look of your interior with the added logo. This is going to be the black. On the back side, it's black as well, non-slip. So you have the white Tesla logo on the black. So this is going to be a nice way to protect your seats. You may even want to put these on, say for instance, if you're not going to be driving your vehicle, maybe you don't have a sunshade and your car is going to be outside, you can put these on to protect the sun from coming through the front windshield and just beaming on your seats. This may be a good way to do that. Also, once again, if you have pets, if you're doing any activities where you may be wet or you might be a little dirty, so you can put these on, protect your original seats, and these are very easy to clean. You can just go by a car wash and you can rinse it down with a water hose. Simple soap and detergent and water cleans them right up. So they're easy to clean, easy to install, good thing to have in your car, maybe in the front or in the back, in that sub compartment that you have in the back trunk. So once again, this is going to be the seat covers for your Tesla. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.